Welcome, everyone, to the Q Group 2020 online presentation of the Component Control LMS platform. My name is Sean Polly. I am the Manager of Implementation Services. I started as a technical support representative with Component Control in 2005. Moving from the customer support team, I worked as a trainer, supporting new and existing customers on a wide variety of professional services projects. The agenda for this session will include the following. We will cover the basics of a learning management system. I will review the history of Component Control's LMS and the current content and features. Additionally, we will discuss the benefits of using the LMS. The presentation will also cover the roadmap and future initiatives. And lastly, we will provide a walkthrough of a sample LMS course within the platform. So a bit on the fundamentals. A learning management system is a software application for the administration, reporting, tracking, and delivery of educational courses, training programs, or learning and development programs. In the context of business, you often find LMS courses for employee training and onboarding. An example of such things could be human resources. The Quantum Control LMS is a web-based learning platform developed to provide instruction to new and existing users of the ERP application. The ultimate goal is to provide an easy-to-use platform for the development of efficient and productive end users. This is true whether you are onboarding new hires, cross-training existing staff, or just evaluating new modules. In a Q Group 2019 presentation, I introduced the launch of the LMS project. The initial courses were focused on training users of the Quantum Step platform, that is, the Quantum Control cloud-based version of the application. This would include an introduction to the cloud environment, navigation of the Quantum Control application, and courses on the core modules of Quantum Control. The core module content would include things such as inventory control, company management, customer quotes, sales orders, and purchase orders. All of which would be a great introduction to the application to any new user of the software. As of June 2020, we have released 11 courses in the LMS platform. Currently, we have stock issue kitting, quantum administration, physical inventory, company management, QuickBooks Bridge, purchase orders, Quantum Step basics and navigation, shop control, inventory control, and quantum navigation. New courses with high-definition video walkthroughs and micro-learning sessions are being written, developed, and released weekly. Now that we have an update on the current project status, what types of features can we find in the LMS? As mentioned, most of the training sessions have been developed using video-based learning. The course instructor will provide a functional walkthrough while demonstrating the process inside of the application's user interface. Say, for example, we were talking about the creating purchase order process. The training video session will step through the exact process for creating this type of record. Oftentimes, the instructor will note best practice, discuss the required fields, and highlight the critical inputs. Additionally, the LMS system is fully mobile and web-based. Users can participate using their preferred devices, whether connecting using a PC or smartphone. The lessons can be streamed, and the knowledge checks can be completed. The platform fully supports self-paced video learning. Users can complete the course content at their own leisure. This simplifies the process by removing the need to schedule. This also can help with aligning with various individual learning styles. For example, you might have one user who prefers to execute the course quickly, and another that would prefer to watch each section of the course multiple times. The platform can help facilitate either approach, although it should be mentioned that the platform administrator can enable certain due dates and valid periods. For example, a mandate could be deployed requiring a course to be completed within 15 days after enrollment. Another benefit of the Quantum Control LMS is the use of micro-learning strategies. The course content is being developed in bite-sized blocks. Learners do not need to commit to extended sessions. The goal of this structure is to keep the process efficient and effective. On average, each course section is about 3 minutes in length. Certifications and learning credits are also a feature of the LMS platform. The LMS system provides the ability to tally learning credits and record certifications. A user will be granted certification at the completion of a learning path. Component Control plans on awarding standardized certifications. Examples might include a distribution certification, awarded after a user completes a learning path that covers customer quotes, sales orders, and invoices. The final feature that I will mention is the concept of gamification. Gamification is an area of the LMS platform that encourages the users to have fun while learning. This includes the collection of learning badges, point scoring, and friendly competition. While some might not find the training topics the most interesting, gamification helps increase engagement. The delivery of learning materials using this technique can help facilitate an environment that is more appealing compared to traditional methods. I have described key features of the LMS, but what are the benefits? How can this help our new and existing customer base? For new user onboarding, this will become the primary introduction to the Quantum Control software. I can envision a scenario in which all new users complete a learning path in preparation for a more detailed review of the application. While instructor-led courses will never be fully replaced, the LMS will be a comprehensive source of the fundamentals. Users can learn the terminology, walk through module basics, and review the core navigation aspects of the software. All of this prior to more nuanced activities such as process mapping and workflow review. Other benefits of the platform include the LMS is an accessible knowledge base. The LMS is 24/7, 365. It provides a self-serve repository for product knowledge. Course content can be reviewed and retaken as necessary. The LMS is also time efficient. I have mentioned the microlearning approach for course development. The compact lessons can save time. There is no need to skim through a 45-minute video to learn about a specific feature. Additionally, there is no need to allocate another resource to train your staff. Whether this is an internal employee or having a resource from Component Control, this can have the added benefit of cost savings. This type of content delivery is the preferred format for Gen Y and millennials. As the demographics of the workforce change, this learning approach will not be uncommon to your younger colleagues. Gen Y and millennials are going to be no strangers to this type of format. One of the features we highlighted earlier is the mobility aspect of the content. The platform is completely mobile and cloud-based. Users can access the courses on the go. Before I start the demonstration of the LMS, I will discuss some of the items we plan on releasing in the future. The development of course content is ongoing, and the project has a team of creators releasing sections each week. By the end of Q3, there will be courses dedicated to the review of customer quotes, physical inventory, exchanges, purchase management, and invoices. The pipeline also includes courses on shipping management, lot costing, and rental leasing. Additionally, we plan on enhancing the certification features, offering endorsements to users who have completed the course and demonstrated proficiency through knowledge checks. With Component Control's customer support team fully migrated to Zendesk, we are also looking at ways to integrate the two platforms. Lastly, in the future, we are going to look at offering tailored content. While the current focus on course development is the key functions of the software, the ability to create customer-specific content is an option. Your organization has specific workflows, data requirements, and possibly a customized user interface. Learning paths and courses can be developed as a custom-fit solution. A structured training plan that incorporates the specifics of your workflow would be a great complement to any existing onboarding procedures. At this point in the presentation, I will move away from the slideshow and explore the LMS platform. To start the demonstration of the LMS platform, I have opened up a web browser and navigated to componentcontrol.learnupon.com. I have entered the email address and password for the account, and I will click the Sign On button. The URL and contact details for the LMS signup will be provided in the PowerPoint presentation. Once we have successfully logged into the LMS, we will see the dashboard page. At the top section of the page, you will find the search utility. This provides an option to search enrolled courses, learning paths, which are groups of courses, and resources, which are supplemental material for download. Further down, we will see the multimedia banner. This currently contains a welcome banner, a link to our company blog, and a link to Component Control's upcoming calendar. In the future, we may use this to broadcast announcements and other important information. Note that the dashboard page has two sections. The landing page that we have displayed is the My Courses section. There is a second My Achievements page that we will look at shortly. On the left-hand side of the My Courses page, there is a course summary section. This will provide a tally of the total courses enrolled and the total courses completed. Like many of the elements in this dashboard, these are hyperlinks. Clicking on the object will change the reported details. In my example, I have yet to complete a course, so when I click on the link, there is nothing to report. I will click back on the Enrolled Courses link to show what I have access to. Below the course summary section, we have an activity panel which will highlight some of the badges obtained. Earlier, I mentioned how badges are part of the gamification features. Since I have yet to start the courses, this section is also reporting no details. Later in the demonstration, we will see this update. Below this section, we see recent activity, which could be helpful in reminding me where I left off in my last session. In this example, I can see when my LMS account was created and when I was enrolled in courses. The course panel will show the assigned courses. Under my current user profile, I can see that I have access to the navigation and inventory control courses. Each individual course panel will provide a summary of the number of modules and % complete. The course title is a hyperlink that will take us to the course details page. The Course Modules button displays the number of module entries in the course. If selected, it will take us to the course content page. All of the details we've covered are under the My Courses page. If we navigate back up to the top section of the web page, we can access the My Achievements page. The My Achievements page focuses on the gamification features. We can see the overall points obtained, points by month, and our learning badge progress. The page will also provide our location and leaderboards. At this point, I will navigate back to the My Courses section. Once back on the My Courses page, I will select the course title. In this example, I'm going to click on the Quantum Control Navigation course. This will open up the course details page. From here, we can see a description of the course, the certifications, credits, and learning badges available. On the left-hand section of the page, we can see the progress bar, current course status, date enrolled, and the last time that the course was accessed. Located towards the top section of this frame, we can access the course content. I will select this link for the navigation course. This opens the course modules. This course has 11 modules, which is a combination of video lessons and quizzes. This is the structure you will find in most of the quantum control courses. I can begin with the first section by selecting the module name. This opens the lesson. The first module in this course contains a video lesson. The embedded player will allow me to launch the video. The idea is that the user can watch the video and follow along with the instruction inside of their training database. When a lesson is finished, we can navigate to the next module in the course by using either the Contents detail or the Next Module button located in the upper section of the window. For the sake of the demonstration, I have paused the recording, completed the navigation course, and finished Module 4 of the Inventory Control course. My next assignment requires the completion of a quiz. The questions will test my knowledge of the previous section. I will encounter questions of various types, including true or false and multiple choice. Once completed, the quiz will provide a score. In certain courses, you will find a minimum passing score. Users will need to pay attention to the course material to answer the questions correctly. When I navigate back to the My Courses dashboard, the Summary section now reflects the updated course progress. The Course Summary panel shows the tally of completed and enrolled courses. If you recall, these are hyperlinks, so clicking on the panels will provide the detail of this total. The dashboard also reflects the latest learning badges showing the recently obtained achievements. When courses are finished, users can pull out a PDF report of their training history. A button at the top section of this window is labeled Download Training History. You can click on this option and it will download the PDF to your file system. Earlier, we navigated to the My Achievements section. If I check that section again, I now see updated points, badges, and my position in the leaderboard. This presentation has covered the basics of an LMS system. We have outlined the current features, highlighted the benefits, and discussed the future goals of the Quantum Control LMS project. Do you have a specific topic that you would like to see published in our learning management system? We strongly encourage our user base to provide feedback and any suggestions. If you have any questions related to the LMS or any of the content discussed in this presentation, please contact me directly at spoly@componentcontrol.com. Thank you for watching, and I wish everyone a safe and successful Q Group 2020.